Now today, this is strictly an introduction, and I'll explain what it is as soon as I get out to the garage. We have a fairing repair for a Buell, and this is basically for Vlad, who has a lot of collector bikes. This is his latest project, and the body work was very, very thin. I'm sure that's why they make it that way for racing purposes, but he bought this bike used, and it really needs some high maintenance. And what we're going to try to do is show the way that we repaired it on future videos. We're going to show all the tricks for doing this kind of repair yourself, what material to use. But in the meantime, I need to get from Vlad, and it's going to take the better part of this session, maybe the whole session, what he actually wants to do with these damaged parts. So this video is a little bit different than what we normally share. We normally share rides, we share technical information, but today I got a call from Vlad. He bought a Buell, and one of the late model Buells, and he has a lot of issues with the body work, and I thought I'd like him to bring it over here and show me what he'd like to do. So on this video, I'm not going to do any work on this video. This is going to be an introduction to, we're going to try to lay out when he gets here. We're going to try to lay out how and what to do with his body work. But what's going to happen, once we make a plan, I'm going to have to pick up some material, and I'm going to show in detail, and this is a really good thing, especially if you have a Buell and it's starting to crack, how to take care of the cracks and take care of the little things that are on the bodywork that are a problem before they become a major problem. And I'm going to have to make a little piece for up in a corner on one side. I'm going to try to put that on another dedicated video or two videos, because I don't want to upset anybody that the videos get too long. So today's video is just, whenever Vlad gets here, we're going to do lay out the job and see what has to be done. But I've never worked on a Buell before, so I don't know what issues Vlad has with the parts. But we're going to find out. The Buell!
The body work is here.
The body work's here. Well, we've seen that story before.
Yeah.
Let's see the body work. Come on.
It's factory body work, and it's horrible. And I mean horrible.
I thought Buell was a pretty high quality bike. Not really?
The body work
Yeah.
is disgusting. Literally.
It's like,
Look at it.
maybe you could get Chinese body work for it.
Look at this. Look how thin this is.
Oh my God, that's terrible.
It's terrible, and all of it.
It's
look,
going to break the
it's
minute.
everything is cracking. Right here is a crack. This one is
Wow.
okay. Right here.
And
Okay, like here, it's already starts cracking.
Now this is the modern one, because
Yeah. This is the.
we almost had a test ride on
this
one
is
of these at
1190.
Pocono.
This is 1190.
Yeah, with a Buell engine and everything.
Yeah.
Not a Harley engine.
No, it's a Buell engine.
God, it's so thin.
It's incredibly thin.
Oh my
Look, it's all
God.
cracking. Now the guy.
Wow, of course.
When the guy advertised it, I didn't see this. Right, I drove all the way up upstate New York for like 2.5 hours.
And you didn't
20.
see this.
He didn't show it in the pictures well. So I get there. He's like, "Oh, this is what it is." So the price was decent. So I
Okay.
took it.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
You know, then I started looking at the body work. And
Yeah,
I
the
see
body work's terrible.
Crack is here, crack is
Yeah.
there, and if I leave it, it's gonna fall apart. And this is not bad yet. Hold this. I'm gonna show you the other part. The other one is even worse.
Every time you're here, it's an adventure. Have you ever noticed that?
Yeah, I know.
Let me put this up on the truck.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Mr.
Look at
Adventure.
This one fell off, so this
Yeah,
piece we need to build
I
up.
see.
Look at this. It's all.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. It's all cracking.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is gonna. Now, if you keep riding this,
It's fall apart.
what's going to happen? I won't be able to paint it in the winter.
No,
It'll
you
be
don't
dead.
We don't need to paint this. We need to make sure it's just doesn't
don't
fall
make it any
apart.
worse. Yeah.
Yeah. So
And what
I'll
about
take
this
it-
piece up by the blink? Is there a piece missing?
Yeah.
There's a piece of.
Yeah. Maybe
Do these
take
come
them
off?
Yeah. This will come off.
Yeah,
I
well,
didn't
take these
them.
off. Don't leave them by the house.
I'll take.
Yeah.
them.
Now you got the
I'll
other
take them
piece, or is this it?
back. This is it.
Okay, let's go down the cellar.
Yeah,
It's
let's go
cool.
down, and I got two more
It's
parts.
92 degrees out here.
Yeah,
It
I'll
brings
take
us.
two more parts. I got two more. See this?
Yeah, I see.
cracking,
I
cracking,
see.
cracking. This one is cracking over here.
I wonder if this is defective plastic, because
No,
this is supposed to be.
This is.
They all crack? Did you
They
know
all
anybody
like
else
this.
has a Buell?
Everybody says, "Oh, Buell has a shitty bodywork." I didn't know how shitty. I didn't
know
know
now.
how shitty. I know how. I
know
know
now.
now. Look at this. Look. It's
Yeah.
everywhere.
Wow. Wow, that's going to be difficult to make that the way you want to do it.
Yeah, just do it whatever you.
Okay, now, if I fix this here,
Yeah.
take it apart now, this is going to be thicker
No, it's okay.
that by the thickness of the material.
Okay, you're gonna make it in the back, so it's
Yeah,
no
yeah,
big
of
deal.
course, of course.
It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal.
It may be like a fit and finish, you know.
No, it's if you do it in the back, with the same material they did it over there with like this is.
I have thin material.
Yeah, so it should be fine.
Hot Bodies makes a replacement bodywork.
Yeah, it's all.
How much is the bodywork? $1,000. Oh.
Yeah, but this.
I'll fix it.
Yeah, no, but doesn't have the headlight. Here's another one.
Yeah.
Here's another one.
You got to modify it.
Here's another one.
But this is just for the racetrack. This is not for what you're doing.
And this is the other one. I'll show you the other one. This is the one I want. It's a fiberglass, so it's a lot thicker than this.
Yeah.
And it's gonna hold a lot better than this crap.
Okay. I see.
See this?
Yeah,
it's all like original, but it's all much nicer.
But it's thicker.
It's thicker.
Okay. So that's easy. That's an easy paint job. That's no problem. So over the winter, if this doesn't break, now you got another advantage. If you ride this bike a while, what's going to happen? And nothing breaks, then you paint it. Spend the time and energy.
No, I want to paint it.
But if it breaks again, then you got to put something.
Well, I got to get a new panel. You know me, I'm a little crazy, so I need to get a nice.
No, a lot crazy. I'm not crazy.
Okay, so I agree.
Hey, you're Russian. What's the problem?
I need to get a new panel.
Okay.
I can't.
Yeah, well, we put carbon fiber there. That'd be no problem.
When I took it apart, man, I saw this and I was like, what the
Now, what happens here? The motor's rubbing here?
I'm not sure what the hell is wrong.
Okay, so I got an idea for you. I'll put some carbon fiber here. Okay? So the motor will rub on the carbon fiber.
Okay.
You understand? If it rubs here, it's going to burn the paint eventually.
Well,
so make a little bit.
This comes pre-painted. It looks. Look at the quality, honestly. For 18 grand, you get the bike like this?
I don't know. That's pretty disappointing stuff.
You telling me?
The cheapest bike I ever bought had better bodywork than this. What I want you to do is take a little piece of blue tape, anything looks, because we're going to do it all from the back, of course. And in the winter, when we put the nice paint on, if there's anything cracked in the winter, I'll double it.
I'll just sell this original bodywork and get the other one over.
Well, we'll make this as good as we can, of course.
Yeah, this is just, I want to make sure it doesn't fall.
Anywhere you see a crack, put a piece of blue tape. And I'll put, wherever I see blue tape, I'll put carbon fiber or epoxy or whatever I could do to make this. See, I don't want to make it too thick. I got thin carbon fiber too, so it's no problem. I got plenty of it. Man alive, I can't believe how thin. I've never seen. My R1 is twice.
Remember, I thought my Bimoto was.
Yeah, I thought your Bimoto because it all cracked on the bottom.
And I thought it was thin. Not even close.
No,
not even close.
I should go get a micrometer and mic this.
And I thought that was small. You know, it was thin.
You know what this is? This is a 1/16 of an inch.
This is disgusting.
This is really cheesy.
It's not like they're charging.
How much weight did they save by doing this? A pound, maybe.
It's not like they.
The problem is I'll bet this is less than a 1/16. It's probably a metric number.
Small.
Oh my God, this is the thinnest bodywork. My R1 is twice what this is, at least.
I have never seen it this
No,
small.
I never saw it thin like this. The stuff Luciano got from China for the R6
no, that's
was twice as good as
Listen,
this.
China makes decent bodywork.
Yeah, no, it's nice. You're going to add more tape to the job. Holy mackerel.
I know. Just look at the tape going.
I know.
Look at it. Look, it's the crack starts going right here.
There's more cracks than ones that are not cracked.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, everything. Yeah.
So I got the old MT-09 fender. I haven't even painted it yet. I'm feeling it to see how thick it is. It's twice as thick as the...
No, probably 3 times.
Well, yeah, but
maybe 3 times.
But this will never crack. That's the Japanese stuff. Never cracks.
Yeah.
So Vlad left and we took a real good evaluation of what we still have to do on this, but I can tell by... And the reason I don't want to start repairing this, it's already late in the day, but there's so many little things have to be addressed here, and now I'm looking at them. I'm going to have to get some material. Look at this. Look at this. This plastic is so thin, it's unbelievable. Now, I suspect there's somebody watching this video that says, oh, I have a Buell and I love the bike and it's not cracking the fairing or something. We're not out to badmouth Buell or whoever made these fairings, whatever company. The idea is this one needs some work. And we're going to try to do our best. Here's where the engine is rubbing on it. It's rubbing right through it. Eventually it'll rub right through. So Vlad put a little pieces of blue tape on what he wanted me to fix. I need to figure out exactly how I want to do this. And it's just, this is going to be a lengthy, time-consuming video. I don't want to make it that the videos are too long. I know people don't want to go for that either. So we're going to try to do our best, and within the next week or so, we'll bounce back and forth on this and get some rides in at the same time. So there really isn't any information we're sharing here. This is really just something that I suggest everybody that has an exotic bike, if you take the fairing off and it's cracked a little bit, fix it the way I'm going to show, and it'll never break again. Because what's going to happen over the winter, we're going to do a real custom paint job on this. He's already got the paint job picked out. But to do a custom paint job on something that's already cracking and pieces are breaking off, not a great idea. So I hope this information served everybody well, and when we do get to work on this, I'll make a video of how I would repair this, and I've done it probably over 100 times already. So thanks so much for watching. So this was kind of an unplanned emergency. Normally we try not to do too much of these kind of things in the summer unless there's an emergency, but seems like with Vlad everything's an emergency. One year he dumps his track bike, one year he did something else. But he's a great friend. I don't want to ever not let any of my friends down. But here's the problem, that when you buy a very expensive thing, I understand why they make this thin. They think they're going to save weight or something. And I worked, when I had my machine shop, we injection molded plastic, and I know there are all different grades and formulas of plastic. My opinion is this is just not a great formula of plastic. It's something that should have been more flexible, and well, I didn't make the, well, they went out of business. I guess that's part of it too. And I didn't, so I don't know if that's part of it. Anyway, don't want to badmouth anybody, not the purpose of our videos. When we get to actually do the repair, I'm sure you'll be very impressed with these parts. I've fixed them many times before, and you fix them before they totally break. That's the secret to the whole thing. And we post up something over every day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.